how did we photograph the Milky Way from inside it? Imagine living inside a huge house with no windows, and someone asks you, "Hey, can you take a picture of the outside?" Yeah, that's exactly our problem with the Milky Way galaxy. We're inside it, stuck on a tiny planet called Earth, and yet somehow we have pictures of the whole thing. How? Let's break it down. But before, be part of the adventure. Subscribe and stay connected for more amazing content. Together, we'll keep exploring new horizons. First point. No one has ever taken an actual photo of the Milky Way from outside, because to do that, we would need to travel 50,000 to 100,000 light years away. And the fastest spacecraft we have right now? It would need about 2 billion years to get that far. So yeah, not happening. Every photo you see online is not a real photograph. It's a scientific reconstruction made from data. Second point. Astronomers mapped the Milky Way like detectives. Since we can't step outside, astronomers did the next best thing. They used star counts. They looked in every direction and counted how many stars there are, where they cluster, and where the space gets darker. This helped find the spiral arms. They used infrared telescopes. Dust blocks visible light, but infrared can see through it. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope basically gave us X-ray vision for the galaxy. They used radio waves. Radio telescopes mapped hydrogen gas, which outlines the galaxy's shape, like tracing the lines on a giant cosmic fingerprint. Gaia spacecraft. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission measured the position and motion of over 1 billion stars. Gaia basically made a 3D map of the Milky Way from the inside. And the third point? The final image is like building a puzzle without the box cover. Astronomers take all these clues, star positions, dust maps, gas distribution, and combine them with physics about how spiral galaxies usually form. The result? A scientifically accurate model of what the Milky Way should look like from the outside. Is it a perfect selfie? No. But for a civilization stuck inside the galaxy, it's the best photo shoot we're ever going to get. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years wide. Our solar system is not in the center. We're living in the suburbs, on the Orion arm. The galaxy spins so fast that we complete one rotation every 230 million years. And no, we're not going to fall into the black hole in the center. We're way too far. So the next time you see a beautiful picture of the Milky Way online, remember, it's not a real photo. It's a scientifically engineered guess built using physics, telescopes, and a galaxy-sized amount of patience. We didn't photograph the Milky Way. We reconstructed it, because stepping outside for a selfie is still about a few billion years too early.